Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and now you want to use FaceTime on your iPhone and you are unable to do this, so first open your FaceTime app and here check if here's a problem, and if it doesn't, so you just have to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network or cellular. Just scroll your control panel down and here you can see I have connected to a Wi-Fi. So let's check if it's stable or unstable. Just open browser, and in browser you just have to go for any website to check this. And after doing this, just go back. Now scroll down your control panel and put your phone on airplane mode briefly for almost 10 or 15 seconds, and after that just turn it off. It will make a briefly refresh on your internet, and now you just have to open FaceTime. If it isn't working, so you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, you just have to select general. In general, just go for date and time. Here's that, tap on it. You just have to make sure that your date and time has been fixed or correct for your time zone area. If it doesn't show your time zone area, so you just have to go back and here go for privacy and security, and here select location services. You just have to turn on your location services, and after doing this go back and open general, then date and time, and here you just have to disable this and then enable it again to automatically set date and time. And after doing this, if it doesn't work, so you just have to go for apps. In apps, you just have to look for FaceTime app. Just go down and look for FaceTime. Here's that, tap on it. And here you have the setting which is FaceTime. You can see it is enabled, but you just have to disable it. Just tap on it and then it will be disabled. And now you just have to enable it again. Tap on it and it will be enabled and it will make a quick refresh in FaceTime mode. And after doing this, just go back and check your FaceTime app if it works or don't. If this doesn't work, so you have to make a final step, which is make a force restart to your iPhone. So let's see how can you do it. For this, you have to press the volume up button and the volume down button and then power button. Press quickly volume up, then volume down, and then power button. So let's try it. Volume up, then volume down, and then power button. And after doing this, just slide it. And after shutting down your phone, you just have to press hold the power button to turn your phone on. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo won't show, and you can see my phone has been turning on. I have made a force restart on the phone. So after this step, you just have to wait for your phone to turning on, and after starting you have a final step which you have to meet. So first you have to unlock your phone, enter your passcode, and here just go back and open your phone's settings. Open settings. In settings you just have to tap on general, tap on here, and here you have software update. Just tap on it, and here you have to make sure that your phone is up to date, and you can see I have my phone has been up to date. And after doing this, you have fixed the FaceTime issue, and now you can easily use your FaceTime app. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.